Everyone wants to become a millionaire, but most people don't have a plan. They wait. They wish. They scroll through Instagram, dreaming, but guess what? You can become a millionaire, not by luck, not by chance, but by choice. Today, I'll tell you the real truth, the mindset, the habits, and the steps to actually become a millionaire, not overnight, but in real life. Let's begin. Backhand index pointing down, brain step 1. Change how you think about money. 1 minute. Millionaires don't think like average people. They don't say, I can't afford this. They ask, how can I afford this? They don't fear risk, they respect money, but they don't worship it. Ask yourself, do I see money as something I work for? Or something I can make work for me? Train your brain to think like a creator, not just a consumer. That's where the millionaire journey begins. Briefcase step 2. Learn a high-income skill. 1 minute. You can't save your way to $1 million with a low-income job. You need a skill that pays more than average. Some real examples: digital marketing, freelancing, writing, design, editing, software development, video production, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, coaching or consulting. You don't need a college degree for these, just YouTube, focus, and practice. Master 1, then monetize it. It could change your life. Bar chart step 3. Create multiple income streams. 45 seconds. Millionaires have at least 3 to 5 income sources. Here's a sample roadmap: full-time job or freelance work, side hustle, content creation, YouTube, Reels, ebooks, investments, mutual funds, stocks, passive income, online courses, digital products. When one stream is slow, the others keep flowing. That's how you build financial safety and growth. Moneybag step 4. Save first, then invest smart. 1 minute. Many people say, I'll invest when I have more money. But millionaires start small, early, and consistent. Heavy checkmark: save at least 20% of what you earn. Heavy checkmark: put your savings into investments, index funds, mutual funds, gold, real estate. Even your own business. Let your money grow, quietly, in the background. That's how wealth compounds. Prohibited step 5. Avoid these money traps. 45 seconds. You can earn well and still stay broke if you fall into these traps. Crossmark: expensive lifestyle to impress others. Crossmark: taking loans for things you don't need. Crossmark: overusing credit cards. Crossmark: spending money before you earn it. Millionaires avoid emotional spending. They invest first and enjoy later. Control money, or it will control you. Hourglass not done. Step 6. Be patient. Stay obsessed. 45 seconds. Becoming a millionaire takes time, years of showing up when no one claps, saying no to parties, distractions, Netflix binges, while others waste time. You build, you grow, you invest in yourself. Consistency, talent, discipline, motivation. It's not about being the smartest, it's about being the most committed. Fire step 7. Take bold action. 45 seconds. This is where 90% fail. They learn, they plan, but they don't take action. Want to write a book? Start today. Want to start a YouTube channel? Record your first video. Want to freelance? Create a profile now. Action creates confidence. Confidence attracts opportunity. Opportunity builds wealth. Start before you feel ready. Do it messy, but do it. Speech balloon. OUTRO 30 seconds. Becoming a millionaire isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to live on your own terms. To take care of your family. To help others. To chase your real dreams. So Praveen asks you this: what's one small step you will take today toward your first million? Comment below. Let's grow together. Backhand index pointing down, and remember, don't just make a living. Build a life. Moneybag fire. If this video sparked even one new thought in your mind, then imagine what the next one will do. Hit that like button to support the mission. Smash subscribe if you believe in growing every single day, and comment below, what's your dream goal before you turn 30, 40, or 50? Remember, this isn't just a channel, it's a journey, and you, my friend, just took your first step.